April live cattle futures were moderately lower. They were unable to follow through on Wednesday's turnaround bounce off of a key support. And at the moment, we are holding that key support, which is in the form of the upward trend line that we've been in for some time. But so far, no significant bounce off of that support, which, that does continue to risk the possibility of a deeper correction in the market, even though we are now well off the highs, still holding the trend line. But if it breaks it, that could bring in some more technical selling. So that is going to be something to be watching closely. Cash cattle and box beef prices have really softened here over the past month and a half. Really very hot and heavy. I mean, they were really rather strong towards the end of December into January, but since then they've really cooled off, which is pretty much expected from a seasonal standpoint. But packers' margins are rather negative at the moment. And bids for cattle, while they've not been much trade this week, have softened by about $2 since last week. So that is a reflection of how willing packers are to pay up in the climate that they see themselves in right now. We have the cattle on feed report that is due on Friday afternoon after the close. And generally, if you look at all the estimates, it is expected to be a bit of a bearish report. For the on-feed number, the average trade guess is 99.3%. The range is 98.8 to 99.9. The placement number, and this is the one that is expected to be bearish, is at a 103.7% year over year. The range of guesses is rather wide at 100 to 106.1. And again, that would be the bearish number, which is also reflecting that we've reopened the border to Mexican imports, which would make sense if that placement number does come in high. And then the marketed number is estimated at 102.1 with a range of 101.3 to 102.5. So we'll see what that has to say. There's a lot to be watching in the live cattle market now at the moment. So stay tuned, everybody, and you stay safe.